Hey Luis, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out to you on Thursday, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things pretty short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you could use to really increase traffic to your website and really grow that customer base. So with that, all I ask is that you give me some feedback at the end of this, whether that be via email, text, phone call, anything would suffice. I just would love to get your thoughts. So here we go. Let's get started. My first tip is to add content to your site. And content is anything that you can highlight, whether that be pictures, text. And there's 2 reasons why you want a lot of content. The first reason is so that you can be found for specific keywords. The more content, the more keywords you can be found for. So I went ahead and looked at a lot of the keywords in your area, and there's 2,300 searches a month in your area. That's almost 30,000 searches every every year that's happening in that Austin area. And so really, if you're looking at 5% of that, that's basically like 150 customers a month if you can capture just 5% of the traffic. If you can capture closer to 10%, you're looking at 300 searches a month. So there's a ton or 300 clients a month. So there's a ton of volume there. There's a lot that can be done. But when you're looking for content, say I want to be found for this electrician, Georgetown, Texas, which has 350 searches a month, I might put that as a heading. I might put that in my text. I might save an image as that particular keyword. And honestly, the more content you have, the more keywords that you could fit in. And really typical for a homepage is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. That's what kind of Google likes, and that's kind of what is expected. Now, the second reason why content's so important is because it's a ranking factor. So Google uses a lot of things to determine what websites get ranked higher than others. And really, like if you look at Wikipedia, one of the reasons why Wikipedia does so well is because they have so much content. There's so much there. There's really nothing you can do. You can't, really beat them out. So that is one of the things that makes content so important is one, it's a ranking factor, and two, you can get a lot of keywords in your content based on the amount of content that you have there. So really important. My second tip would be to optimize your Google My Business. So you guys do have 9 reviews, which is great, and they're 5-star reviews, which is great, but really you want to build upon this. Add pictures, get more reviews, get this on directories out there. The more your business information that matches your Google My Business here is out on the web, the more this gives authority to this Google My Business, and the more likely you're going to be to rank here. And what you're looking to do is you're looking to get that Google My Business ranked in the top 3 of this map pack so that you could pull traffic from this organic listings. And honestly, you really want to rank organically and you want to be in this Google My Business map pack, but until you rank in the top 3 or on this first page, this is a great way to pull traffic away from your competitors. And getting this Google My Business up and running is key, and really it works really well with your website. So that would be my second tip. My third tip would be to strengthen your site. So this is some data from your site right here, and this is kind of the info we're looking at right here, these 4 boxes. And really, this is the strength of your site. It's kind of low. It's so low that you have no data here, and there's a 0 here, so there's not much here. It's almost like a brand new site. You have one website that's sending 4 links back to your site. You're ranking in the top 101 keyword, and that keyword is Raptor LLC. So it's basically like a new site. There's just not a lot of stuff going down. Like I said, I did look at a lot of stuff, and there's a lot of volume, so I wanted to look at a couple of your competitors. So here's the Electrician Georgetown, and actually I just pulled up one. We're going to look at Cox Electric. That was they're ranked number 1 in this organic, and they're also number 2 in the map pack. So they're pulling a lot of traffic based on that. Okay, and their strength of their site's not really that strong. Normally you'd like to see a high number, 20s, 30s, and you'd like to see this as a 1-to-1 ratio. and it's not a 1-to-1 ratio, and it's not very high, so you can definitely beat that out. They are ranking on 187 keywords though, so that's important, and that's one of the things what I'm talking about. Content, you really want content so you can rank on as many things as possible, and they only have 25 websites that are sending 55 links, so not a ton of stuff here. Definitely beatable, but they're really doing well based on where they're at for this keyword, since there's so much volume for that keyword. Okay, and so those would be my 30 tips. I Just to recap, get more content, specifically content with keywords that you're looking to be found for that are high volume keywords. Number 2, optimize and strengthen that Google My Business. Number 3, optimize and strengthen up your your page by really adding links and really building this up. So there's a lot of ways to do this. This is something that we do for a living. We'd love to help you out if you need somebody to get it done for you. But there's definitely a lot of potential here, and there's a lot of things you can do. So with that, I'll let you go. Have a great day, and God bless. Bye.